Hello YouTube, Tyrone Fields here again with G3 Fab. We finished up another little project. I'm going to take you guys out and let you look around at it. This is a Polaris Turbo S that we done a cage on. The kickers were already on the machine and we didn't do any bumpers. But let's go take a look. Here we go guys, Turbo S model. The customer did not want a lot of drop, so we kept factory height on the front to mount his factory windshield. He wanted to do a little something different, so we added some screen in the sides, all fully TIG welded. See if we can get a shot of that. Nice satin black color, makes the welds really pop out. He did not want the extra set of tubes in the rear like the typical Turbo S would have, so we did away with those. Dropped the rear about 4 inches to give it a nice profile. And we broke his roof panel so that all the water would run off in the center to try to keep it from pouring off the side into your lap. Turned out to be a nice little build on a Turbo S. Please hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit that thumbs up. It really helps the channel out, helps people see it.